Can I activate a PSN card without a PlayStation console?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to answer a question that many of you have asked. Can I activate a PSN card without a PlayStation console? Let's dive right into it and see what options you have at your disposal.
What is a PSN card?
A PlayStation Network, PSN, card is a type of virtual currency that you can use to make purchases in the PlayStation Store. These cards come in various denominations, and they allow you to buy games, DLC, movies, and even TV shows without the need for a credit card. Now, let's talk about how you can activate them.
Can I activate a PSN card without a console?
The short answer is, yes, you can. You don't necessarily need a PlayStation console to activate a PSN card. This is good news for those who want to purchase PSN content or prepare their account with funds ahead of getting a console.
How can I do this?
You can activate your PSN card by using the PlayStation Store website or the PlayStation app. Here's how to do it. Activating via the PlayStation Store website. 1. Go to the PlayStation Store website. 2. Log in to your PSN account. 3. Go to the Redeem Codes section. 4. Enter the code on your PSN card. 5. Click on Redeem. Note: make sure you're logging in to the correct account, as the funds will be added to the account you're logged into at the time of redemption. Activating via the PlayStation app. 1. Open the PlayStation app. 2. Sign in to your PSN account. 3. Tap on the PlayStation Store icon. 4. Go to the Redeem Codes section. 5. Enter the code from your PSN card. 6. Tap Redeem. Remember, you must have the app installed and an existing PSN account for this to work. So, there you have it. Yes, you can indeed activate a PSN card without a PlayStation console. All you need is access to either the PlayStation Store website or the PlayStation app. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped clear up any confusion. Keep those questions coming, and we'll see you in the next video.